Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have this awesome Air TV antenna that can go between 60 and 70 mile range. It's an indoor and outdoor antenna, so this is perfect if you want to put it in the attic or you want to stick it in your home someplace. I'm going to lower it down so you can see the brand name. It's called NoCable 70. That's the model number. I will have a link in the description below. We are going to do an unboxing of this bad boy and demonstration and how awesome this is. Whoa, holy crap. Oh my god, holy crap. Okay, so comes with 40 feet of coaxial cable, which is really nice, and it's white, so you can hide that behind some. Where do you see this thing? It appears to be an amplifier. Holy crap. Look at the size of this thing. And this is omnidirectional. There is an AC adapter in here for the amplifier. Oh, look how cute. It's super tiny. Oh, look at this. That's nice. It comes with a U-bolt, so you can stick this on a mast. That's what this bracket is for. We'll stick it on a pole. We're going to demonstrate this thing. Wow, okay, so this is the mounting location. You mount it on the bottom, like such as this. Like if it looks like a cell phone antenna. Those other two things that we had, before I said, what the hell are these things? These do this, that's for this. Here you go, so this is what it looks like. This is huge. All right, so now we are watching television using the digital tuner. I'm gonna go into the menu system and just scan for new channels so you can see, and it's right there. Okay, that's where it is. It's on a, and remember, it is indoors, and that antenna is actually omnidirectional, so that is huge because it doesn't matter which way you point it, it'll work in either direction. All right, we're complete. So this is the quality of the imagery, of the picture quality. And this is 1080i, and let's go through the couple of channels here. This is channel 67, Justice. This is in 480i. Let's go to this channel. That's 720p. This is 720p. This is definitely 480i. Yep. And this is 480i without a trace. This is some old stuff. Still digital TV, which is great. So nice and crystal clear. And this is a news channel. So anyway, as you can clearly see, the antenna kicks a major butt. It gets some really good signals. The range says on the box that it's 70-mile range. The manufacturer is NoCable.org for more information. Do I recommend this product? 100%. And that's it. Hey guys, as you can see, this is a really good product. It works really well. I'm very impressed with the quality of the signal. Now the TV that I have does do digital. It has a built-in digital tuner. I wasn't expecting it to get all that many channels indoors, but that's how I do my reviews. If it can work indoors, it's a great antenna. And that's all I have to say. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.